welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you all my fidgets and my homemade ones too. I'm sorry if I haven't been posting lately. It's just that I've got really busy with school and then home and then family and then dinner and then it flies by all day. So it's really hard to post in between that. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you all my fidgets, like all of them this time, all of them. So it's gonna be fun. So let's get into it. Okay, first things, acupuncture rings. So I have 2 homemade ones that I made today. I should put that in the homemade. And then these 2 acupuncture rings. I'm getting more on Wednesday, so I'll post about that and I'll show you all the colors that I got. And then next thing is my homemade fidgets. I already showed you these 2, which are going back in acupuncture rings. So first is this, and I use like this pom-poms. I use pom-poms, so it's like kind of like this. It's like this. You can like flex it. And then this one is just a bunch of little beads in it, and it's pretty cool. And then another set of pom-poms. And then this one is a unicorn in it. It's so hard. And then this one is made out of Easter grass and a lot of glue. This one's just glue. You can flex it around, crinkle it. Very satisfying. This one, mermaid tail. This one, crinkles. This one, unicorn. So that's all my homemade fidgets. Now I'm making more, a ton more. So next thing is going to be my slinky, like that. It's gonna be all different. First, I have a ton of jacks. I will have to show you the entire box. And then slinkies, I have a ton of these, mini jacks, fidget spinners. Jeez. Say hi, y'all. Oh, my mom's down here working. We worked on the basement today. And I have fidget spinners, and then I have 2 bike chains. For now, I'm getting more hopefully soon. Well, I just gotta move this anyways. So why am I even putting it back? Okay, sorry about that, guys. The next thing, it's a humongous box. Sorry about that. But next thing is my squishies. And then my these. I can't show you all of these because I have a ton. And then I have this, and I have more spiky balls, but I can't pull them all out. And it lights up apparently. I never knew this until today. And then I have this mini Rubik's Cube. You can just go like this and mix it up. Wait, how the heck did I put this together? I made it. Mommy, look, I finished a Rubik's Cube. Everybody say hi to my mom. Hi. She said hi. And then all my mochis, I have a ton of mochis. And then, jeez. Hold on, y'all. It takes a minute. All my marble meshes, poppets, pop tubes. I have a dimple, a dimple and a snapper. They're really cool fidgets here. Like a dimple, a snapper. Sorry if the lighting's okay, but it's not as good as usual. And then, all my monkey noodles. I only have 2 out right now. My tangles. Wacky track. Jeez, it's than the screen, by the way. If you go down, I think it'll show it. It's like that long. Very long. Next, I have my infinity cube. I know I have a different one. I had a different one, but I traded that to my friend, and she could have that. And then this fidget pad, ton of those things. And then these slime balls. This jelly ball. Sorry if you can't see my face. I have a slide chair, and I go left and right. I go left and right really fast. So that's all my fidgets right now, but I'm getting a ton more, so guys, don't worry, I'm gonna be posting a lot more and having fun.